Hi guys, welcome to the day 5 of yoga for a flat belly, and for today's practice you will need a pair of socks. So put on your socks and let's get started. So if you have your mat out, you can fold it or you can make it horizontal like this and just let your hands be on the ground, coming into a plank position. Take a breath in and breathe out. Staying stable in plank. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly slide your right foot up and then the left up and back. So slowly we'll just begin. Let the navel be pulled up towards the lower back. The shoulders are directly above the hands. Continue and relax. Slowly hug both the knees in. Sit back into the chair pose. Once again, bring the hands down and again take both the feet back. Pull both the feet towards you. Come into Utkatasana, the chair pose. Come down and take both the legs back. Again, come up, chair pose. Come down, one leg at a time or both together. Pull both the feet towards you. Come into Utkatasana, the chair pose. Come down and take both the legs back. Inhale, pull both the feet towards you. Slowly bring the head down, the knees in between the hands. You can rest the head. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly inhale once again. Come up and slowly take the right foot back, left back. This time we'll take the right out, bring it in, left out, in. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And again, bring the knees in between the hands. Let the head rest. One more breath in. Exhale. Place your elbows where your hands were. You can interlace both the hands as well. Inhale and exhale here. Now we will take the right leg back, the left back. Now take the right out and then the right in. Left out and left in. Right out, right in, left out, left in. Right out, right in, left out, left in. Right out, right in, left out, left in. Last time, right out, right in, left out, left in. Once again, bring both the knees again together. You can let your head rest. Take a breath in and exhale. One more breath in and breathe out. Inhale. Lift the head up and now slowly place your hips down. Bring your hands down by the sides of your hips. And now we come into the reverse tabletop position. Take a breath in and exhale through the mouth. Drop the head. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Once more, inhale. And exhale through the mouth. Now bring the head up. Slowly stretch out your right foot. Left. Right in, left in. Hips are going up towards the ceiling. Right out, left out. Right in, left in. Right out, left out. Right in, left in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, inhale. Now we keep moving them. One after the other. You can drop the head back if you feel like. Continue, few more, just 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring the hips down. Slowly bring the head down. Take a breath in and exhale. Let the body be loose and relaxed. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Once again, let your hands come down. Open up the chest and slowly come into the reverse tabletop. You can drop your head back. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly drop the hips just a little bit. And now see if you can straighten both the legs at the same time. And then bend the legs. And then again you can come up if you feel like. Or just from a little lower. Take the feet out. Bring them in. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Just 3 more times. Out. In. Out. 2, out, 3, out, and relax. Bring the hips down. You can hook your elbows over your knees. Bring the feet together. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, arch the back, look back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch the back. Stretch the neck. Exhale, down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Slowly bring the hands back. Slowly take both the knees to the right. You can just look a little bit to the left if you feel like. You can even stretch a little bit towards the left side. Bring the right hand towards the left. Come up, knees to the left, and you can twist to the right, taking the left hand towards the right side. Come up. So just see what feels good for you. Knees to the right, knees to the left, and you can move your body along, noticing what feels good for your body and sticking with that. If you feel like, you can just stretch your legs, take both the hands back and just come down to the left side and now to the right. Once again, to the left, to the right, left, right. You can stretch out your feet in front of you. Inhale, stretch the arms up, stretch, 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 and slowly exhale and bend forward. See if your stomach can come close to the thighs. You can bend your legs at the knees as well if you feel like. Rather than rounding the back, stretch it forward, up and forward. And just relax in the posture. Relax the body totally. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and relax the body completely. Slowly you may inhale and come up. If you feel like, you can repeat this again within a minute or so, the whole thing. And if you feel like, you can just relax. We hope you enjoyed today's practice. Let us know how it was for you in the comments below. May you stay fit and calm.